Hi, Randy, it's Joanne. This is the Dodge I've been telling you about. I have two others. One's a V6. I don't think you want to go that route. Really nice shape, super low miles, around 26,000. It's got the nice big fat chrome wheel tires. 27,899. Definitely going to get you in that budget that you're looking for. Got the wind deflectors here. It is the crew cab, so you got the nice big doors, chrome. This has got the Hemi 5.7. You got to hear this. Alright, so you got your cruise control here, your Bluetooth for your phone. Really nice big center console with the bucket seats. Back seat, huge. It's got the all-weather floor mats in here. Randy, this is a beautiful truck. Nice bed. I'm not sure what this is, living large on the back here, and it does have a bed liner in the back as well. Your 4x4 packaging, and like I said, it's got that Hemi 5.7 and the blacked out grill. Really sharp. Talk to you soon.